Or medic 25 and medic 23.
23 heading to 49.
23 and 25. Start down at 49 Forshay Road. Stage off site. Report multiple people staff.
43 B4 around it.
Alright, medic 25 and Spring Hill. You guys are heading over to Forshay Road?
Permanent on B4.
Alright, 43 Bravo 4. Just stage somewhere until I give you the go-ahead. Scene's not secured at this time. You copy Bravo 4?
43 B4 copy.
Medic 25?
25 copies. What's your pleasure with the warming center? Do you want us to continue there first?
Negative. Disregard that for now. Starting over to the area Forshay, and Bravo 1 can take the warming center.
Thank you, sir.
Bravo 1, you copy that?
Bravo 1 copy, no more.
Okay. One to Spring Hill. I need a Spring Hill unit for possible stabbing victim. 41 to Spring Hill. I need a unit for stabbing victim. 49 Forshay Road.
41 970.
Spring Hill 541. Spring Hill 5. Go ahead.
I have 3 patients right now down, heavy bleeding. I need multiple ambulances, please. At least 4 to 5.
56
28 minutes.
All right, stand by.
43 Bravo 141. You want us to start heading that way?
Yeah, start heading over there. I'll get another unit for the warming center.
Good city for the warming center. We'll head that way.
All right, I got Bravo 4 and Bravo 1 heading over to Forshay. Medic 25, go ahead and head in. They're reporting serious injury.
43 B4 is out.
56 DM throughout for this building.
73 DM.
41 to RVAC, I need the duty crew for 47 Forshay Road for stabbing victim. 41 to RVAC, I need the duty crew 47 Forshay Road for stabbing victims. Time now 21:58.
19 driver.
Any other RVAC unit with 19 driver?
99 medical.
19 driver, 99 medical. Copy. Let me know when you get a rig. 41 to Feist, you're on the air. Feist, duty crew, you're on the air.
2341.
Medic 23, go ahead.
It's advised we're about a mile out, at least 4 rigs.
All right, copy that. Let me know if you set up a staging area at that location, please.
4-1. We have multiple ALS patients. Yes. We have a Zolancy with 1 Spring Hill truck. Keep everybody rolling.
Hey, firm. I have everybody rolling. I'm just asking for a staging area.
Spring Hill 4 2341.
Medic 23, go ahead.
There should be a cross street right behind 49 Forshay. Make that the staging area.
All right, copy. 412 Feist, I need a crew for stabbing victims. 49 Forshay Road. 41 to Feist, I need a duty crew. 49 Forshay Road for stabbing victims. Time now 21:59.
Bravo 3. 41 medical in quarters. 50 medical in quarters.
Q3 is out. Copy 2-3.
Police 15 driver in quarters.
41 to Sloatsburg duty crew. I need crews for a stabbing victim. 49 Forshay Road. 49 Forshay Road. Sloatsburg duty crew. Need a crew available. Time now 22:01.
19 driver. 25 out. Police 15 41. We have second crew in quarters. 45 beats. You can take another one if you want it.
Start heading up there, Feist.
4351. We're approaching. What do you guys want? Spring Hill 20. Driver medical hand the bill. Spring Hill 441.
Spring Hill 4, go ahead.
From the establishing EMS command, I'll advise. Keep all units coming as of now.
Copy. 4-1, copy that. Spring Hill 4 is going to be incident command. 2202.
Spring Hill 43, 43, D541. You want us to roll there?
Hey, firm. 43 Bravo 5. Head up there.
43 B5 is en route. 43 B3 is en route.
43 Bravo 3. Heading up there as well. Copy.
43 B4. Medic 25. Medic 23.
Go ahead. Go speak to command. Tell me what you need.
We are right in front of the synagogue. I need someone. I need an ALS unit in my ring.
Spring Hill 4 received. I'm sending 23 over.
26 to 41.
43 Bravo 2 is en route.
Ramview to Forshay. 43 B1 to incident command.
Go ahead.
What do you want?
Repeat, please. You call him command. 43 B1, where are you going?
Havoc 90, driver to 401. See if you can raise the medical for me. I'm at the building. We can roll another rig.
Incident command, Spring Hill 4 incident command.
446 is in service. 517 incident command. Let me know from the scene. Tell me where you want me.
4-1 to Spring Hill 4.
Spring Hill 4 is on.
Spring Hill 4. I believe you should have about 5 or 6 ambulances there. I got Feist, RVAC, Sloatsburg, and a couple from your department. Let me know if you're going to need more.
Hey, for my will advise. 43 B5 on scene. 43 B6 401. Going ahead.
Hey, firm, if you have a full crew, head up there. Report to Spring Hill 4.
Right now, I just have a driver. There's multiple medicals on scene. You want me to wait or?
Spring Hill 4, you got EMTs at that location that are available?
Repeat.
I have a driver with 43 Bravo 6. Do you have EMTs at your location that will be available to test?
9741. I'm pulling up right now. Have the bus roll. I will complete the crew.
B6, you copy?
B6 is in service on the 40 Bravo 2 incident command. What do you want? Spring Hill 4. You on the air? Spring Hill 4.
Spring Hill 4, go. Everyone should be coming from Viola to Forshay, not the other way. It's a one-way street only. We're leaving from Forshay to Grandview.
Spring Hill 4 to 401.
Spring Hill 4.
We're going to make this Forshay is going to be a one-way. Everyone approach from Grandview is going to be leaving toward Viola.
Okay, 401 to all EMS units responding to Forshay. Approach from Grandview. Forshay is going to be a one-way. And you're going to exit going towards Viola. 401 to all EMS units responding to Forshay Road. Come in from Grandview. It's going to be a one-way onto Forshay, and you're going to exit out towards Viola. 401 to Sloatsburg.
At Sloatsburg, I have a driver-only roller rig.
Site 45 Bravo 1 in service.
45 Bravo 1 in service.
Command 4-1.
Last unit, repeat.
Spring Hill 4, command 4.
Go ahead, Spring Hill 4.
At this time, 1 ALS, unknown Spring Hill rig. 1 ALS, Hatola H2, unknown locations for both, and 1 minor wounded. I'll keep you updated.
All right, copy.
Spring Hill 4. 33, Spring Hill 4. Go ahead, 33.
All right, H2 is going south as of now. They don't know where he's going. They're going south as of now. Keep it right. Jack, they're going to shoot for Westchester. If not, they're going to Nyack. 4-1. Advise the hospital, please.
Be advised, Nyack is aware of multiple patients.
All right, Nyack's aware. I'll advise Westchester and good stand.
Spring Hill 4, Spring Hill 33.
Go ahead.
Stay off the air until you have a location of where that patient's going. We're not notifying hospitals that they're going to multiple hospitals. Let me know where that patient's going when you figure it out.
As for the driver of Hatola H2, they will be going to Westchester. Again, as for the driver of Hatola H2, they'll be going to Westchester. I don't know if anything will change.
Command receive 401. Can you notify Westchester 1 ALS incoming Hatola H2 stab wound, unknown condition?
All right, copy. Hatola H2 en route to Westchester. We'll notify them.
And receive. Command 2, Spring Hill with the ALS patient. What rig are you? Neil, lab.
43 before, we're going to Nyack.
Receive. Command to 401. 43B4, 1 ALS to Nyack.
45, Bravo 2 and 3 arriving on scene.
E3, which way are you approaching from?
Okay, from college.
College and Forshay are one road. You're coming from Viola or Grandview?
Grandview, we are pulling up directly behind the Spring Hill unit. We are staging by H6 and being directed in.
Receive. Driver stays with the rig. Send your crew with the stretcher up. We'll advise.
45 Bravo 1 to command. 45 Bravo 1 to EMS command.
Go ahead, D1.
We're going to come down 306. 446 is off.
42 Bravo 2's in service, driver on the port station Grandview at Forshay.
401 to Spring Hill 4, incident command.
446 to EMS command.
Incident command, the hospitals have been notified. They request that the ambulances, as they are transporting, to please contact them with an update.
Either kill your real life, please. Medic 31, 401.
Medic 31.
Channel responding. What town is this going to be in?
Going to be in the Monsey area, Forshay Road.
Forshay Road in Monsey area. I'm responding.
All right, your contact's going to be Spring Hill 4. They're incident command.
45 Bravo 1, incident command. 23 Boys 3. 241, okay?
Go ahead.
We're responding to the warming center. Do you want us to take the stabbing job instead? Or are you trying to get a bus from Clarkston?
All right, repeat your, who are you?
23 Boys 3. Coming from New City.
Command 4-1.
Go ahead, command.
At this time, it looks like we have everyone we need on scene. No further units to the scene. No further.
All right, at this time, no further units to the scene on Forshay as per incident command. New City Ambulance, you're responding over to the warming center, correct?
Yeah, 22 Boys 3.
23 Boy 3 responding to the warming center. Copy. 2213.
401 3 is going to be around the corner.
Sulzburg 42 Bravo 2. Copy. Cancel.
Command 4-1.
Go ahead, command.
Just so you can update your board, I got Medic 25 up times 2.
Yeah.
Medic 23 went with 43B4 to Nyack. As far as I'm aware, I got one half of Medic 23 on scene. I'm putting Medic 25 up with 2. They're going to stand by the scene temporarily, though.
All right, copy.
45 Bravo 3 is first in line, facing Viola.
22 Charlie 1. EMS command.
You're just calling command.
Command 45 Bravo 3 is staging from H6 first in line, heading towards Viola.
What unit is calling?
5 Bravo 2.
With extreme caution. At this time, there is no more extreme caution.
Early on feed, staging from H6.
All right, 401, all units. Incident command, Spring Hill 4 is reporting no further to the scene, and anybody that is responding with caution. Let's take a minute to get a roll call of who is at the scene, starting with Spring Hill. What Spring Hill unit is at the scene?
43 Bravo 2. 43B6. 43 Boy 1.
43B3.
Okay, 401, copy those 4 rigs. RVAC?
446.
Copy 446. Fight?
Slice has 45 B3, B2 on scene. E1 is standing by.
B1 is on Forshay Road in front of AT.
Okay, they're still standing at their unit. Crews from B3 and B2 are standing in front of the residents out in the street as directed by PD on scene.
That's fine. I got B1, B2, and B3. Copy.
Medic 5, 401. We're going to be off on 6 Park, okay?
Medic 5, I got you off at 6 Parker. Copy.
Command 401.
401.
Hatola H6. 1 basic. If it's Meriden Hospital at this time, checking for walking wounded.
Hatola H6, basic to good stand. Copy.
B4 to 401, be advised, we're heading to Westchester instead of Nyack.
Okay, as per the hospital request, if you can please give them a call with a update on the patient.
Medic 31-4.
Medic 31.
Yeah, I'm on 59 coming up with your suffer.
Okay. 412 Spring Hill 4.
Spring Hill 4 is on.
Spring Hill 4, you need any other medic units at that location?
Negative. At this time, I got half of Medic 23 here and 2 units from Medic 25. No further ALS needed.
All right, copy that. 4-1 to Medic 31. Medic 31, at this time, no further to the scene. I'm going to ask if you can to stay central in the Medic 23 and Medic 25 area for further EMS calls in the town.
2341.
Medic 23, go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to be remaining on scene. My partner went ALS to Westchester with Spring Hill. 25 is available.
Copy. What's your pleasure with Medic 31?
Command for Medic 23.
You should take the suffering at this time.
Feist, you calling from here?
Go ahead for Feist. We're just standing by.
Debbie, stand by.
Next to Medic 23. He said they should stage for suffering area.
22 Charlie 1 4 1.
Go ahead, 401. All right, 22 Charlie 1 to be on Forshay. Where's EMS staging? They're on Forshay Road. If you come in from Grandview Ave, Forshay is a one-way going towards Viola.
All right, receive 22 Charlie 1 EMS command. We'll be on scene. I have my rig. We'll be in service momentarily as well.
23 Boise, we're pulling up here at the warming center, okay?
All right, 23 Boy 3, you're pulling up to the warming center. I'm going to ask that you just check in with your dispatch so they can keep track of time.
Definitely. You want us to suspect you on?
Yeah, please.
Medic 2541.
Medic 25.
We're clear to scene, back up with 2. We're going to remain central. You can return Medic 31 to Orange County with our tank.
Copy that, Medic 25. Medic 31 on the air.
I copied them direct. I'll be returning back to Orange County. I also told Tuxedo they could stand by in quarters as well. You want to cancel them all together?
And 4 1.
Go ahead, come in.
If you can just advise all units on scene, extreme caution, unknown if weapon was recovered or not, unknown, all units with caution on scene.
4-1 to all EMS units operating on